Did you know your commercial garage door could be costing you thousands in lost productivity? At Express Garage Door Services, we've seen businesses struggle with downtime from faulty industrial doors. Our specialized team handles everything from sectional door repairs with fast response times to heavy-duty systems built for high-traffic environments. We're experts in roll-up doors for warehouses and commercial spring replacements using high-cycle tempered springs that last 17,000 plus cycles without deforming. Our reinforced hardware upgrades provide enhanced security and durability that businesses across Houston trust. Don't let door issues impact your bottom line. Express Garage Door Services delivers reliability when your business needs it most.